Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to use the link option in Mozz testing tool. So let's get started. Open the testing tool and create a configuration of your choice. Then create a group and test case and give it a name. After creating your test case, go to the action menu and choose the link option. The link option is pretty straightforward. You provided a URL and it goes there. Pretty simple, right? Also add a sleep option from the wait menu to allow you to see the page opening, then launch the test. To make things more interesting, let's add a few more checks, such as page to load, URL contains, title contains check. And also, we will launch a couple more websites. And if you're not familiar with those options that I mentioned earlier, I will leave a link below that describes them in more details. And don't forget to add HTTPS or HTTP before your URL to avoid your test from failing. One last thing to make this test more fun, let's add another test case to make it fail. But let's give it a funky name. So give it the name of "You shall not pass." And for the URL, be creative. Put anything, gibberish, it doesn't really matter, as long as it fails. Now, launch the test and sit and relax. And to see your beautiful results, go to File, go to Reports, and open the last report that is in your folder, report.html. And now you can see all your results. Everything that passed with every step, and whatever failed, and it would also give you the exception that happened that caused it to fail. By now, we have reached the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, everyone, and see you next time.